Greetings everyone, Eric here and welcome back to another video. In this one, we'll be taking a look at the M708 version 3 from Ugee. Some of you who have been on my channel for a while will probably notice that I've done a review before of the M708. However, that was the first version of the tablet. Ugee were kind enough to send over the latest revision of their M708 Pen Tablet, so a big thank you to them for doing so. The box for the tablet is pretty simple, showing off the tablet and its pen front and center. While on the back, you have some of the specs of the tablet. What you get inside are, firstly, the quick guide and warranty booklets, a USB cable for connecting the tablet to your PC, the stylus pen, as well as its stand, which houses replacement nibs inside, an Ugee branded drawing glove, and of course, the tablet itself. The tablet has a nice matte finish, while the buttons have a more glossy look. The active area is 10 inches by 6 inches, and the tablet has 8 shortcut keys, which by default are, from top to bottom, brush size up and down, zoom in and out, undo, the hand tool, brush tool, and eraser tool. Between the two sets of buttons is the indicator light for when it's being used. The buttons feel pretty good to use, nice and tactile. Coming back to the pen, it rocks 8192 levels of pen pressure, supports up to a 60-degree tilt, is battery-free, and has 2 programmable buttons. Installing the tablet is super straightforward. First, you connect the USB cable into both your PC and into the side of the tablet. Once you do that, you download the drivers directly from Ugee's website and begin installing them. Takes very little time. Be sure to have any previous tablet drivers from another tablet uninstalled completely before doing this. That way you avoid any conflicts. When done installing, go through the settings to make sure the tablet is set up how you like it. Check that the tablet is active only on the screen you wish to use it on, if you have multiple screens that is, as well as adjusting both the pen pressure to your liking and customizing the shortcuts to what you use most often in your drawing software of choice. The tablet supports both Mac and Windows natively and should work with any software that supports pen pressure. Now you're ready to start drawing. I ended up doing 2 drawings with this tablet, as the first one was done when I literally haven't used a pen tablet like this since November and December of 2019. The first drawing was going to be more of a bust shot, but when I got to the inking, I began getting frustrated as I was struggling very hard to get used to not being able to see my hands while drawing. Note that I've been mainly using a pen display tablet since 2009, only ever using pen tablets for reviews, so I'm extremely inexperienced with them, and thus it takes me some time to get any handle on it. However, don't let that discourage you. There are many professional artists who still use pen tablets in their work, even after becoming pro for many years. The biggest advantage of pen tablets is the ease of access due to their lower costs, and more portability since they run completely off the power coming from your computer or laptop. On the second drawing, I pushed through to do a full bust, and slowly started getting more comfortable as I found how my arm and wrist wanted to move to make the most accurate lines I could. For me, it seems going in an upward motion is easier to control than pulling the lines down towards me. My overall thought on this tablet is that it's a great beginner tool to help artists get into digital art and not have to settle with some tiny tablet that's uncomfortable to draw on. Having a 10x6 area means you can use more arm movements, thus lowering fatigue and wrist pains, while also helping greatly with smoother lines. I definitely recommend this to any young beginners who are looking to jump into the digital art world. You'll find a link in the description to where you can pick one up. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment on your thoughts of the tablet, as well as any questions or suggestions for art videos in the future. Also, let me know who your favorite characters to draw are. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.